With news circulating that TikTok may soon be banned in the US, it's essential to prepare for the possibility of losing access to your favorite content. I have created this video to show you how to download TikTok videos, ensuring you never lose your favorite clips. In the video, I will cover: download a single TikTok video, download all videos from a TikTok account, download multiple TikTok videos. The tool we use to download TikTok videos is Surface Video Downloader. Here is a quick go-through. Part 1. Download a single TikTok video. There is no download option. Simply copy and paste the URL into Surface Video Downloader, select the format and quality, and hit the download button. It will grab the video for you. Part 2. Download all video from TikTok profile. Surface Video Downloader has a batch downloader. By inputting the TikTok profile URL, it will fetch all videos on the account and offer you download option. On the window, you can choose to download all or selected TikTok videos. Set for your download options and click on the download to save videos.